been absolutely ages since I last did a video. I've got a bit of a gas leak in the van, so I'm going to do a video today on sorting that out. I think the leak is something to do with the water heater somewhere in the pipe that leads up to that. So I've bought some gas leak detection spray. I'm going to spray that on all the joints and see what the crack is. Yeah, this is what I've bought from Screwfix. So you just spray it on places that you think there might be a leak, and then it bubbles up if there is a leak. So the water heater is the other side of that ply board there. So there's a gas pipe that runs along and through there to the water heater, and then it goes up into this boxed in section here, and there's a join in there, and that's where I think the leak is. So I've got a 4-way isolator on the gas. I've isolated everything else and just got the water heater on at the moment, and I can, the smell is pretty strong. So I'm pretty sure that's where the leak is. So I'm going to take this box section off and then put some of that spray on. So there you go, I've taken off that ply panel, and you can see a couple of gas connections in here. There's one there, and then one just tucked behind the water pipes there. I can't actually remember which one is the water heater and which one's the gas heater, so I'm just going to give them both a quick spray with this and see what happens. So yeah, you can see those bubbles being created there, so there's definitely a leak on that one. Can you see that? Well, I don't think there's a leak on the other one, but I'll give it another spray. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to isolate that gas because it is actually quite strong in here. I don't want to gas myself, and then I'm going to take the other side of that ply off so I can get to that connection, and then have a bit more of a look at it. So I think that sorted it. It was literally just a loose connection on there, and on that one, this one's a water heater, that's a space heater. There's just a little loose connection. So I've turned the gas back on. I've actually turned the water heater and the space heater on. I can no longer smell gas. I've sprayed it again with this stuff, and there don't appear to be any bubbles at all now. So yeah, I guess it just worked its way loose. So I think that's all sorted now. So yeah, I hadn't done a video in ages, so I just sort of do a really quick one today, just to show you what to do if you suspect that you've got a gas leak. Really easy, just buy some of that spray it on whatever joints you think might be leaking, and then look out for bubbles, tighten up where you need to. Thanks for watching, guys, and as ever, if you found that video useful, please do give it a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already. There's loads of little modifications and jobs I'm going to be doing on this van over the winter, so stay tuned.